opposite of what I just asked. What's the worst deal? Like, and I don't know, there might be some legal, limitations. Any deals blow up in your face?
Yep.
Okay, and that's business too, right?
So one of the businesses, and I take 100% of the blame, but we were watching it, and we were watching it grow rapidly. And so they needed working capital to fund the inventory that they were growing rapidly. Turns out that the salesmen were pretty focused on sales, not on margin. And we basically, inside of 3 months, blew the company up with this extraordinary inventory buy and no sales that made money.
Wow.
The more we sold,
the
more we lost. And so, again, learning moment. I'd assigned some people to watch, but I never gave them a sense of what I was worried about or watching. And when I did weigh in, again, my mistake, 100%, it just wasn't working. Now, a few other businesses blew up, but it was well-intended people who I still admire and respect. I had the misfortune of losing to cancer one of the partners in a business called Frogbox. And Frogbox is taking plastic boxes and substituting them for intermodal travel, moving inside a city or between cities with cardboard boxes. So longer life, but they're plastic boxes. And of course, they'll last 10, 20 years.
I remember the pitch, by the way.
Regular wear and tear. But I lost the president. He died about 3-4 years in. And that was one of the tougher moments because he had also become a dear friend. So it's been a roller coaster of experiences. Do I regret going on Dragons Den? Not at all. Do I regret almost trying to stay one more year? Yeah, I was working on having a 4th season and ultimately got into a bit of a dust up on contracting, and it worked out for the better because 3 seasons gave me all the exposure.
Yeah.